How to turn on or turn off sound notifications shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on sound notifications. And then tap on sound notifications shortcut. And in here, there are 4 different shortcuts that you can turn on. You can turn on one at a time, or you can turn on all of them at the same time. So choose which shortcuts you would like to use and then tap on OK. Here, if I tap on the accessibility button, I'll be able to access sound notifications from the shortcut. Here, I can tap on it to turn it on, or I can tap on it to turn it off. So this shortcut here will allow me to open up the sound notifications settings screen. From here, I can turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.